What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got a long day ahead of us today. We're gonna be doing a little bit of everything. We're gonna paint the calipers on the clone and hopefully leave it at the wrap shop so it can start getting worked on. We are gonna drop off the hood at Street Concept so we can get the hood going, and we are gonna go to Irwindale and see some races. We've heard on Instagram that there's gonna be a few really good races, so we're gonna go and watch those, and we'll see if we end up with 2 videos or 1. But for right now, I'm gonna stop by buying the paint for the calipers, and then we're gonna go and paint them. And also, I'm gonna be doing the $150 store credit giveaway from our last video. The other, we're supposed to comment, drop a comment, and yes, we're gonna enter to win a $150 gift card or store credit on the website. So stay tuned for that on the video. It's gonna be all the way at the end. And also, I'm gonna be showing you guys a new hat that we are doing a collaboration with another company. So I think it's a really dope hat. I know you guys are gonna like it. It is snapback, it's black. I think mostly everybody likes black. So I'll show you guys that later on, maybe midway the video or something, but you guys gotta watch the whole video. It's gonna be a good video. All right, so our first stop is right here to OEM Auto Paint Supplies. We're gonna try to get paint for the calipers to match the steering wheel. Because right now they're red, the calipers are red. So we're gonna try to get those blue, the same color as the steering wheel. And eventually I want to do the seats blue and everything, but we're gonna start with that, the wrap, and then we're gonna do some audio as well. But we stop right here in Olympic. OEM Auto Paint Supply is the shop. So we just showed him the steering wheel, and he said that he'd be able to match it for the most part, so he's gonna get really close to it. And he recommended, well, Viso already told me we're gonna paint them and we're gonna put clear. Same thing this guy recommended right here at the paint shop. So we're gonna do that. All right, so before we start doing anything on it, we're gonna give it a quick wash. It's just been sitting at my house and it's really dirty. Yes, look at the mirror. Everything's super dirty, so we're gonna wash it really quick, and then we're gonna start working on the calipers. All right, so first we're just gonna clean them up a little bit here while they're on. Then we're gonna clean them up again after we take them off. We're just gonna do a little cleanup before getting them ready to paint them. A little clean, try to get everything, all the corners, all the dirt and everything goes off, and then we're gonna pull them out. Give them another little cleanup, get them ready, more detailed. A little quick clean right here, just because. In the back has Willwoods, 4 pistons. Eventually I want to grab those. Well, I want to grab 4 pistons, Willwoods as well, to put in the front. But for right now, we're just going to paint these, make them stand out a little more. Those are all blacked out, those are red. But we are going with the black and blue theme, so we are going to do that blue. We'll clean them up, same thing as the front one. Clean them up, take them off, and paint them. All right, so we cleaned them up, so they're basically ready for paint. Back ones too. Honestly, if I didn't have start the whole blue theme, I would have kept red. I really like red, is probably my favorite color, but because of the lifter truck, it was blue and black. I decided to go blue and black on everything. But maybe later on we'll change it up. I already had gotten the steering wheel blue, the cluster, made up my mind on the blue seats. So kind of like I want to finish it with blue the way I had initially thought I would. So I don't know, eventually maybe we'll go back to red, but for right now we're going to paint them blue. Alright, so we cleaned them up again, took off the pads, and we're ready to put primer right now and then paint them up, and then add the clear. We're going to add clear, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to add clear, and we'll put the wheels back on, but those wheels will now be on much longer. I do have them for sale, so if you're interested, hit me up. 2 locks in the back and the front, 17th all around. Let's get to the primer. All right, so the primer is ready. Check it out, primer everything really good. And we're gonna put a coat of paint right now. I think 1 coat should be enough. Front and back are ready. All right, so real quick, we're just gonna spray the calipers right now with the blue. Just spray them really quick. You don't gotta go too hard on them, because then you don't want like runs. You don't want the paint to just run down and especially because they're in an angle. The paint, if you put too much on top, it'll run down. So what I like to do is, like you just seen, do like little layers, just quick little paint, and then with the paint it's just gonna cover all the white. I don't know if it's right, but that's what I like to do. And then you just get all the corners. So we make sure everything was covered really good. We don't really have to worry about overspraying anything. The reason why we put the plastic and all the tape and stuff. And then last we're gonna touch up the, where it says Woolworths, we're gonna do it black, and then we're gonna throw clear on it, and that's gonna be it. Alright, so we did the Woolwood black like I said we would. We used a little brush or cotton tip, whatever it's called. Touched it up, whatever we did go over. It's not perfect. It's pretty good. It looks pretty good. Look. I know this might not be, I don't even know if that's the correct way to do it or not, but it looks good. I'm happy with it. And now it's just the clear. Alright, so we're all done. It took forever. It took longer than I thought it would take for sure, but they look really good. Let me show you guys. Now that they have the clear and everything, we'll bring it down, and we do have a little bit of paint left. We're gonna see what else we can use it on to keep the same color to match the interior. So let me show you guys right now and let me know what you guys think. Oh, so look at that. So right there has the paint. We primer them. We did the paint, and then we did the Woolwoods with the black. We touched it up a little bit to make them look pretty good, and we added clear at the end. Now they're all done. Now it's just time to take off the plastic, let them dry, take off the plastic, and then put the wheels back on. All right, so we're waiting for them to dry, and then we, as you guys know, I don't like the wing being a different color, so we decided just to paint it black and start matching the black and blue theme we're gonna have. So we're gonna paint this really quick, and then that's gonna be it for today. I don't think we are gonna make it to our races anymore, but at least we got this done. Well, we basically had the plastic on the truck already, so it makes sense just to sand it really quick, a little quick sand, and paint it because already the plastic was there. It saves us some little bit of time. So we're ready to spray some paint on it, make it look black, and then hopefully drop it off at the wrap shop pretty soon. Ready to wrap it, Viso?
What color?
In a couple weeks. We're not telling the color, the exact color, but they know it's gonna be something black and blue. So we're gonna wait and see.
Bro, hold that shit right.
Alright, so we painted the calipers, we painted the wing. Now we're gonna grab something to eat, and I'm gonna be doing the $100.50 giveaway right now.
Someone tell him to swing this. Comment, Danny, swing it, please. Do some fucking burnouts.
150 comments, and I'll go and try to swing it somewhere.
150 comments?
Yeah, me.
But he's gonna have to
I'm
do
gonna
it
try to
because
swing
he
it.
always has someone else burning out for him.
I'm gonna do a video. If I get 150 comments, I'm gonna do a video
You crashing
trying
it
to swing the truck.
Alright.
Alright.
Hey bro, like your cluster, who did it?
Easy clusters, my boy.
Sheesh.
You know we only fuck with the best, bro. Alright guys, so it got kind of late. I couldn't we didn't go to races anymore. The calipers took way longer than I thought they would. I think like the whole drying and all that process kind of waste of time. You're just sitting there waiting for them to dry, but at least we got that done. I'm gonna do the $150 store credit giveaway right now. All you have to do was comment on this video. Every comment was one entry. All you have to do was comment, nothing else. You don't have to buy anything, nothing. So whoever I choose right now, the comment that I get randomly pick is gonna get a $150 gift card or code, so they can buy anything on the website. It can be whatever they want, they can get. And yeah, let's get that done right now. Let's see, add entries, no. Random name, show random names, yes. That's 16, huh? And let's see, where was it? Right here. So here's the random picker, Daniel Ruiz. This truck is clean, can't wait till it comes home with me. Dang, good luck, bro, good luck. Check it out. So all you gotta do is DM me, Daniel Ruiz. DM me on Instagram, show me proof that this is your account, that you left the comment, and I'll give you a code for $150, and you can spend on the website on anything you want, any item, shirt, hoodies, or whatever. We're gonna be doing another giveaway like that on our next video. Like I said, we are dropping a collaboration hat with another brand, which is really badass. I think growth together. It's badass. Shout out to that person for actually being willing to work with me when I came up with that idea and brought it up to him. He agreed, so big shout out to him. You guys gonna see who it is next video, and yeah, I'll show you guys next video, and we'll see what else we'll do tomorrow. I'm so tired I almost forgot. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys play FIFA, let me know, we can get some games in.